There's a classic tussle when you're building your own brand or you're building your business, which is building something that you like and you believe in and building it for an audience or building it for a customer. And
Yeah.
there's this tussle because oftentimes brands can lose the customer that they're trying to build to us because they're just stuck on the vision that they have. But then that is also the reason people gravitated towards it in the first place. On the other hand, if you keep building for the customer, you lose the identity you started with. And often people fail to gauge what the customer actually needs. Have you come across?
Yeah, I mean, that's in the beginning when I'd started off with sliced diamonds, which are a slice of a diamond, and they're rough and they required a lot of education. People loved them because they are natural stones, they have beautiful facets, but the education was where all our marketing dollars were going. And then that's why we had a big Hollywood approach to this. Like we got lots and lots of different celebrities to start wearing them so that it validated how beautiful they are. And people felt a little bit more assigned to wearing them and more confident, if not before, or at least spending the money to buy them. So it again continues to differ because sometimes I will want to create something and I will say, but it's so beautiful. Why has it been in our inventory for a year? Like I see how beautiful it is. And you know what? Like you don't have to see eye to eye, which is why we have different risk. Like 20% of my, like if I'm going to be investing X amount in my new designs, maybe 20% will go towards experimenting, another 30 towards like what we know what works, and there's a full on demand for it, and 30% that's classic. No matter what the season is, no matter if things, there's another COVID again. This will be an investment regardless, even if it sits in our safe for like 5 years, because it's your classic tennis necklace or your classic wedding band that is always going to be in demand.
Wedding's always in demand.
Or like anything to do with anything that's like classic, right? Bands, your regular flower jewelry, like flowers are always in fashion. It's never been an issue selling those. So yeah, I think dividing that risk, and then you're kind of satisfied, still kind of exploring your mind and your imagination, and yet the business isn't getting as affected just because of that.